Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you might be thinking, why do you look so weird and flat? That's because I have my base makeup on. I just have foundation, concealer and powder on. Oh, now I can see. I'm very sorry if the lighting keeps going weird, but the sun keeps going in and out, so yeah. As you may have been able to tell by the title, I'm doing the pink makeup challenge. I saw Bunny, aka Graveyard Girl, do this and I thought it would be quite fun to do because I've got a fair amount of pink makeup. So I'm going to be doing my eyes, lips and eyebrows pink and like my cheeks. But I'm not going to put pink on my actual full face because A, I don't have pink face paint and B, that would be really weird. So yeah, I also don't have pink mascara, but I'm going to be using a mascara with the pink bottles that kind of counts, sort of. Anyway, let's get into it. Like I said, I've done my base and I've primed my eyelids, and now I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I think I'm going to have to mix a couple different pinks. We'll see how this goes. I think what I'm going to do first is like do the transition area. So I'm going to take the Revolution Imagination palette and I'm going to take this colour, which is like a dark berry pink. It is still a pink, it's just a darker pink. And I am going to be I'm going to be putting that in my like crease area. See, when it's on, it's very obviously pink. It's called Berry Blast, by the way, if I didn't say it. Okay, and then I am going to go in with the Tammy palette, and I'm going to go in with this pinky colour here, which is called Coraline. And I'm just going to kind of deepen up that berry colour a bit more. Well, it's still pink, but I'm going to kind of put that a bit lower down. I thought this challenge would be very appropriate for me because I have always been a huge lover of pink. I thought I'd wear a pink t-shirt a day to match. I should have thought this through earlier and painted my nails pink yesterday, but I didn't. I did them like a stone kind of colour. Still nice, but not pink. And I have a pink room if you couldn't tell. Pink and rose gold technically, so yeah. I love pink. I've always had a pink room. Although, well, not technically. The last room I had that you've seen was blue. The room before that was pink. And before that was decorated was pink, but the room before that was actually lilac. So, yeah. Technically, not always been pink, but mostly. Okay, and now for the main event. I'm going to take like a packing brush and Cavity from the Blood Sugar palette, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Yes, all over, you heard correctly. We want neon. I need to walk the dog after this, so it's like a 50-50 of, am I going to take this off to then take the dog for a walk, or am I just going to YOLO it and go out looking like I have pink eye all over my face? Is YOLO even a thing anymore? Do people still say it? Because I'm not very down with the kids, to be quite honest with you. So the fact that I just said down with the kids just shows you how not down with the kids I am. I'm a grandma in a young woman's body, let's be real. Shout out to all my grandmas out there. I mean, both my grandmas are dead, so I could do with like a fill in. So if anyone wants to be my grandma and like feed me lots, because my parents don't feed me, that would much appreciated. Thank you. To apply, go to www.charlotteneedsgrandma.com and fill in the form. And I'm taking this way too far. I don't know why I'm doing this. My parents do feed me. I'm also able to feed myself, so yeah. I'm just going to start talking now. Great. Okay, so now that my eyes are glowing with the neon pink, I am going to take, what colour is it? Caribbean from the Tammy Revolution palette, which is like this pinky shimmery colour here. And I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to like press this on the centre of cavity. Just to bring a bit of sparkle. In fact, maybe, no, I'm not going to put it all over. That's silly. And then I'm going to take whatever's left on the little brush with cavity on and just kind of blend out the edges. I'm only putting like a little bit of shimmer on. And it's not going to come across really pigmented because it's got cavity. Pardon me, because it's got cavity underneath. But I just wanted a little extra dimension, and I want an excuse to use another pink, honestly. Not that I need an excuse to use more pink on my face than what I am going to be using, but you know. Next, I'm going to take my little tiny brush, and I'm going to take Candy Floss, which is this shimmery pink, and that is going to be used in the inner corner to highlight. Ooh, ooh, crumbly, crumbly. I just put way too much pressure on there. Oh no, oh no. Okay, I think we've kind of fixed it a little bit. We're just going to have a very pigmented inner corner highlight now. Okay, great. I'm just going to take this brush again. I'm just going to blend out the this inner bit because it's a little bit sparse. I need to blend the cavity into this colour a little bit. So I'm going to take a little smidge of cavity on this brush just to blend it upwards a little bit. Okay, and I feel like I need some depth on the outer corner, so I'm going to go back in with that Coraline colour from Tammy palette. And I'm just going to pop that on the outer corner a little bit. Okay, so for the under eye, I'm going to take Berry Blast from the Imagination palette and I'm just going to run that underneath. And I think I'm going to leave it that for the under eye. It is mixed with a little bit of cavity that's left on this brush. So. Okay, so for liner, I'm going to be taking the NYX Vivid Brights liner in the shade Vivid Petals. It's like a bright pink colour. I'm going to have to shade this first actually. Okay, so I'm going to do like a baby wing. I'm not going to do like a big one, I think. I'm just going to line my upper lash line with this. I always end up with this all over my eyelashes. Wow, I look a little bit crazy right now. That's fine. Nothing wrong with looking a little crazy. It's also not a baby wing, but that's fine. Okay, so I'm using the Avon Mark Big and Dramatic mascara, and yes, it's not a pink mascara, it's black, but it's in a pink tube, so we're taking it. Okay, so for eyebrows, do we just go all out and use cavity? I think maybe we will. Why not? I already look pretty crazy, so I'm going to take an angled brush and cavity and fill in my eyebrows. Bright neon pink. Because that's not going to look really bad. I mean, it might look good. This might be my new look. Who knows? In fact, I'm quite lucky. I forgot that this angled brush had khaki green on it before. Well, it's left over from the last time I used this brush. So I could have had a green eyebrow there. And that would not have fit in with the aesthetic that we're going for. So I guess I'm still kind of lucky in that regard. Possibly. And because my eyebrows are dark, it's kind of toning it down a little bit, but also not really. I look like I should be in Scott Pilgrim right now. What is the girl's name in Scott Pilgrim? I've completely forgotten, but I feel like I should be her. Yeah. Okay. This, why am I like not too mad at it though? Like, I'm kind of digging it. Maybe I'll do pink eyebrows more often, who knows. Also my hand and like my arm in general is getting very tight from holding this palette up. It is a meaty palette. It's very heavy. I think we're done with the eyebrows eye look. I like, why am I not too mad at this look though? Like, genuinely. I don't know how this is coming across on camera, but like, I don't know, I kind of like it. Maybe this is going to be my new staple look, who knows. Maybe I am going out to walk the dog like this. Maybe I'm going to deliver my Avon packages like this, who knows. Probably not actually, that would be quite unprofessional looking. Okay, I just need to do lips, but first I need to moisturise my lips. So I'm going to put some lip balm on. Oh, I haven't done my cheeks yet, okay. Well, since we're already going quite all out on the eyes, I'm going to go all out with the cheeks. So I'm going to use this fairly bright pink colour out of the Revolution Blush Sugar and Spice palette. I am going to go fairly light-handed though. I'm not going to contour with this look. I'm just using blush to kind of, and highlight to contour my face. Or should I contour? I don't know. Okay, I might put a little bit of bronzer on to contour. No, I won't. That's making it less fun. Let's just go for blush and highlight. But obviously pink blush, pink highlight. Because people used to just blush and that would be like how they would make their face look more three-dimensional and less like a flat white canvas. I'm trying to blend out though as much as possible. Okay. So for pink highlight, I'm using the Laura Geller highlight. This is the Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Charming Pink. It's very pretty. So let's just apply that. It's a very nice pink. It's more cool toned considering the rest of this look is fairly warm toned. But that's fine. Oh, you know what? We might layer this. Because why not? Oh, my forehead creases are really setting in. I'm just highlighting my forehead creases, that's not a good look. Okay, I'm gonna go into the Stuff X palette and use this pink to layer on top a little bit. Because any excuse for more pink. Oh, now that's a pink. Now that was very blue toned pink, but it's a pink nonetheless. What I'm gonna do actually, I'm gonna have to even it out now. I'm going to go back to Blood Sugar, go back to Candy Floss and the little brush, and we're going to highlight the brow bone with Candy Floss. Okay, now we're going to do lips, and I have a few options and I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I bet that's a bit like not the right tone. I think the best option is to go for one of my Ted Baker lipsticks, but I don't know which colour. Oh, or we layer them both. Okay, we're layering lipsticks. I need my mirror again. So I have like a brighter pink and a lighter pink. It's like a hot pink and a Barbie pink. So the hot pink is going on the outside, the Barbie pink will be going on the inside. So I'm gonna like look at myself close up in the mirror because I haven't really looked at the full face fully yet. I think this lipstick is too warm toned for the eye look, which is very cool toned. But yeah, if I took out this pink lip and put a new lipstick, I don't think I'm mad at this at all. And that's a little weird. I kind of like the whole coloured eyebrows. Might have to experiment with that a little bit more in the future. Yeah. I really like the pink eye look with the pink eyeliner as well, because the pink eye look is not too pink, if that makes sense. I mean, it's all pink, but you know what I mean. It's not too out there. Okay, so I'll come in closer for you guys to have a proper look. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, subscribe while you're there. If you have any more challenges or anything like this that you'd like me to do, let me know in the comments down below. And if they were already came up with someone, please let me know who the original creator was so I can credit them. And yeah, I think I am going to go and take this off, at least take the lipstick off. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!